Hey guys, what's going on? Jeb here, and in today's video, we are going to be doing some technical analysis on Ethereum, because as you may know, Ethereum update EIP 1559 is slated to come out on August the 4th. Just about 10 days from now, one of the biggest hard forks in the history of Ethereum will finally be launching, and in this video, I want to talk about what impact that might have on the price of the king of altcoins. Without much further ado, guys, let's go ahead and dive right on into it. In T-minus 10 days, the Ethereum blockchain will undergo its 11th backwards incompatible upgrade, also called a hard fork. This hard fork, dubbed London, contains 5 EIPs, otherwise known as Ethereum Improvement Proposals, each featuring code changes aimed at optimizing and improving the world's second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Of the 5 EIPs, EIP 1559 has been the most controversial among Ethereum stakeholders due to its radical redesign of the network's fee market. One of the most common arguments against Ethereum as a store of value is its unbounded coin supply. This is something we've talked about many times here on the channel. Ethereum does not have a limited supply such as Bitcoin does. Bitcoin is capped out at 21 million cryptocurrency ever being created. Ethereum currently does not have that. However, one of the benefits of EIP 1559 is it's going to add a burning feature to Ethereum fees, which will negate a large portion of the supply increase that happens every single year on Ethereum. This update is expected to reduce fee uncertainty and help with the throughput of Ethereum, as we are going to see a much more stable fee structure on Ethereum, and it also helps to lay the foundation for Ethereum 2.0, which we are going to talk about in a future video. I'm going to go into more detail on what EIP 1559 is and why it matters to you once it gets a little bit closer, but today I want to do some more technical analysis on Ethereum. Ethereum had a very important breakout happen 4 days ago as it broke above this downtrending level of resistance right here. You can see that Ethereum broke this resistance level that was sitting roughly around $2,125, and we've been rallying above it for the last 4 days as Bitcoin has been rallying. Just like Bitcoin, however, we saw a major upward spike just yesterday that came right back down. This long upper shadow is not necessarily very bullish for Ethereum, but the good news for anyone who is holding Ethereum right now is that we did see a green TD sequential flash right over here on the 16th of July, and we got overextended on TD sequential on the 20th, and following that, we put into motion a major bullish engulfing candlestick. Not only that, but we've also seen a buy signal here with Lux Algo on the daily chart. That's the first time that we've seen a buy signal ever since April the 1st. If you guys aren't already using Lux Algo, you absolutely should. You can find a link for it in the description box down below. Use coupon code JEB, J-E-B-B, for 20% off at checkout. It gives you some fantastic signals. But the signal that I am most interested in is not even what Lux Algo is saying here. It's what the RSI is saying. So let's jump onto the chart. Down on the 4-hourly, we saw descending lows here on Ethereum. Here on the 13th of July and here on the 20th of July, we saw lows. We also saw lows on the RSI at that time, which were uptrending rather than downtrending. This is what is known as classical bullish RSI divergence, and it generally indicates you're going to see a major rally like we have seen here. Now, this RSI divergence has largely already played out, but if we go to the daily chart and we take a quick look at some of our levels here, we will find that Ethereum has a slight downtrend right here on its lows in between the 26th of June and the 21st of July, and a slight uptrend right here in between the same time of June 26th and July 20th. That is what is known as bullish RSI divergence as well. This bullish RSI divergence, compounded with the fact that Bitcoin and Ethereum and Cardano and the rest of the cryptocurrency market are in rallies, and the market sentiment is shifting in the direction of being very bullish for all of cryptocurrency, indicates to me that we should be seeing continued movement to the upside in the next couple of days on Ethereum. I think that we will still be trading up above $2,200 come EIP 1559, and this is what I think it will look like. We've got resistance right here at $2,375 on Ethereum. We naturally need to break through that if we want to continue the rally. I personally think that before EIP 1559, which is represented by this vertical blue line right here, I think that Ethereum is likely going to be sitting right around this level of resistance at 2375, perhaps just a little bit north of it. And then in the run-up to EIP 1559, I think there's going to be a big run-up in the price as people get excited and anticipate this event. But then once EIP 1559 1559 comes to fruition, I think that Ethereum is going to correct and is probably going to settle back down again somewhere between $2,300 and $2,400. And the reason I think that's going to happen is because EIP 1559, as beneficial as it is for the long term, doesn't actually make that big of a difference in the short term. It is a foundational part of what needs to happen before Ethereum 2.0 can come out, yes, but at the same time, it's probably not going to be the thing that justifies several $100s of price appreciation on Ethereum. However, there is good reason to believe that with EIP 1559 finally coming out, people are going to be very excited about it, and because they're very excited about it, they're going to buy the rumor, and then once it comes out, they're going to sell the news. So in my opinion, I think that Ethereum is going to continue trading to the upside and hover in between $2,300 and $2,400 over the next couple of days. It's going to rally probably up closer to $2,700, $2,800 in the lead up to EIP 1559, and then we're going to see a big correction after EIP 1559 comes out of a few $100 back down to $2,300 to $2,500. That is my prediction, and I think that Ethereum will continue to rally over the next month or so, as I think Bitcoin will continue to rally. I think that this movement to the upside will help the entire cryptocurrency market to build more steam so that we can continue the rally that we've already begun. If you guys did enjoy today's video, make sure to smash that like button and also consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. We should be back in studio tomorrow. I am very much looking forward to having my setup back. If you guys want to support the channel, you can sign up for Lux Algo. The link is in the description box down below. It is one of, if not the very best technical indicator I have ever used in my entire trading and investment career. I mean that. I use it behind the scenes, on camera, off camera, everywhere. I give it to people. I love that indicator. If you guys are interested in it, use coupon code JEB, J-E-B-B, for 20% off at checkout. The link is in the description box down below. Before I go, though, guys, I do just first want to thank each and every single last one of you for watching, as always, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Oh, I got a real good feeling.